Hello everyone, I'm Yash. I currently work at DigitalOcean as a software engineer on Network Core and Datapath team. I recently graduated from San Jose State University with a master's degree in computer software engineering, specializing in enterprise application development. I think DigitalOcean has always been one of my dream companies. I've always admired their mission to simplify cloud computing so developers can focus on building software that changes the world. What really excites me is the vision to become the agentic cloud platform, which is right now. And beyond the technologies, I was always drawn at Devo's culture. We believe in principles such as being simple, bold, and customer obsessed. So these make cloud infrastructure accessible to everyone, every developer, which aligns with my values. My project was about building proactive remediation methods using AML for hypervisor crashes before they're gonna crash using historical data, logs, and metrics. So the process we did was to build an end-to-end data processing pipeline, streamline the incoming telemetry data, fed the process data into multiple machine learning models, benchmark the performance, and generated the results. So we also implemented continuous learning to improve the model accuracy over time. This system is right now live and it helps prevent infrastructure failures before they impact customers. At DigitalOcean, I think we believe in values such as DO Simple, DO Love, and DO Bold. On my first day, my team didn't just dump me tons of code on me. They have created a separate onboarding document with all the materials I've needed. They helped me quickly familiarize with myself with DO's tech stack without feeling overwhelmed. And all my colleagues were incredibly warm and friendly. The supportive environment made me feel comfortable contributing from day one. I think since we work at the bare metal level at DigitalOcean, I had to learn the programming language Ruby, which I wasn't familiar in the beginning. So I watched tutorials and read documentation. I did a mini project using ChatGPT's help to practice, and I got hands-on experience through code reviews with the senior engineers who were mentoring me. Right now, Ruby is a key part of my daily workflow for scripting, automation, and building infrastructure. All the managers at the DigitalOcean and the leaders were phenomenal, but I think Paddy in particular stands out because I had the privilege of meeting him a couple of times at the Bay Area office. What inspires me about DigitalOcean's leadership is the vision, because back in 2013, I think DigitalOcean was one of the earliest cloud companies to offer GPU droplets at a very low price. And right now, we are racing towards innovative solutions like you could see app platforms coming up, agentic cloud, multi GPU droplets, and everything. So we are building towards a future where you just type a message and your droplets get deployed. Making every decision with future in mind, this vision approach motivates me to think beyond the box. Also, it pushes me to develop solutions that would exceed industry standards, I would say. Don't be shy. I know people sometimes feel uncomfortable asking too many questions, but on my first day, one of my colleagues told me there are only questions and answers, never good or bad questions, and that's how you learn. The mindset freed me to ask anything without fear or judgment. So connect with people around the company, even if they're from other teams, let's say AML, shared services, or load balance, anything. Ask them what their work looks like day to day. Learn about the projects they're passionate about. Be curious and proactive. Attend meetings even if they're out of your immediate scope.